Welcome to our channel. Here's how to download Paramount Plus content for offline viewing when you don't have internet access. Step 1. Open Paramount Plus app on your mobile device. Downloads aren't available on desktop. Step 2. Ensure you have Premium or Paramount Plus with Showtime plan. Essential plan doesn't support downloads. Step 3. Browse for downloadable content. Look for the download icon next to eligible titles. Step 4. Tap the download arrow icon next to the episode or movie you want. Step 5. Choose your video quality preference. Higher quality means better viewing but more storage. Step 6. Wait for download to complete. You can continue browsing while downloading. Step 7. Access your downloads from the Downloads section in the bottom navigation. Step 8. Manage downloads in settings. You can have up to 25 downloads per account. Step 9. Watch downloads anytime offline. Content remains available as long as subscription is active. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.